Welcome to ERP.net. In this video, we will dive deep into documents, your personal space where you can instantly access and organize all the documents assigned to you by you alone as well as by other team members. You'll find your documents in the section called My, which unites personal productivity with team collaboration. You can learn more about it in our ERP.net Express overview video. Say goodbye to switching between modules and spending a lot of time tracing down your documents one by one. As soon as you open the My Documents app, you'll be greeted by a table that unites them all. This comprehensive list includes all the documents that are assigned to you from all modules and navigators across the ERP.net platform. Still, it's just the tip of the iceberg, as you're not limited to just seeing your documents. The table is equipped with a variety of buttons, fields, and customization features that keep you only a few clicks away from establishing the structure and order that best fits your business needs. By default, document definitions contain an Assign To User field, which is responsible for linking the respective document to a specific user. If you do not modify this field while creating a new document, the latter will be automatically assigned to you. This, in turn, results in the document appearing in your Documents environment. If you click on the Menu button at the top right corner of the page and expand the Advanced Filter panel, you can see that the current documents are exclusively assigned to you, ensuring that whatever you see in this app is intended to be under your management and responsibility. The Documents Navigator streamlines the process of browsing and accessing our assigned documents. We see details like the date of issue, number, and type. Every document can be opened from here, showing more in-depth data. Sometimes, however, your table may seem slightly out of order, especially if you're dealing with dozens or hundreds of unique document records at the same time. My Documents allows you to perform a range of actions to better organize your environment, starting from simple operations such as sorting, searching, and filtering, and going all the way to more complex features like multi-level grouping and calling up summaries. Sorting allows you to reorganize your documents in an ascending or descending order based on the property represented by a particular column. Simply click on the column title, and this will adjust the existing records accordingly. The arrow next to the title indicates the chosen sorting direction. Click again to change it. In case you want your documents sorted by more than one field, right-click on a second header and choose your desired sorting direction. The number next to the arrow shows the sorting sequence across the selected fields. To narrow down the records to what you're interested in, you can apply filters on your documents through the Filter row. First, let's enable it by clicking the blue funnel icon at the upper left corner of the table. This will expand one empty row under your header row. Inside, you can specify a filter expression appropriate for the context of your desired columns. For example, we may want to see only documents issued on a specific date. We'll use the field under the Document Date column to provide the respective information. Clicking outside the field or pressing Enter makes the table refresh its contents with the filter applied. You can repeat the same procedure for virtually any other column, paying attention to what kind of data needs to be provided. All filters applied through the filtering row can also be accessed and modified through the Advanced Filter panel. This panel also serves to extensively create, edit, and remove filters. Taking things a step further, you can use a Column Headers dedicated funnel button to apply filters from a drop-down list. Use these filters to find records of any time, such as 1 or more years, months, or dates you have in mind. as well as documents of a certain type or in a state you're interested in. If the number of documents assigned to you remains too large or you're looking for specific records among them, you can use the dedicated search bar to find precisely the ones you need now. Virtually any detail you provide can be used in the search process, like the document's number, date, or type. The table will load only the results matching these criteria in one or more currently displayed columns in your app. Now, suppose you want to see your personal documents environment adjusted in a way that prioritizes hierarchy and similarity. In that case, you can take things further by grouping your documents by their column headers. This allows you to fit them into distinct categories. Before we begin, we need to display our grouping panel. This is done by selecting the navigator's menu and then the option Show Grouping Panel. Dragging and dropping column headers in this area enables you to group your documents based on the desired fields. Upon placing your preferred column, let's say State, the list will be automatically transformed to group all documents into several sections. All the documents in each group are united by a common property value represented by the group. Documents that don't share the same value are placed in separate categories. Sometimes a group may even be comprised of a single document. Since My Documents app currently presents 4 document states for our records, we see 4 categories or groups. All documents sharing a completed state go here. In the same way, the ones that are firm planned, new, and released are conveniently moved to their own dedicated spaces. Grouping your documents by column headers transforms the look and feel of your navigator. Suddenly, all those numerous records have somewhere to belong to because they share a distinct feature. If you were to drag another column header like Document Type into the grouping panel, your documents would be redistributed even further, this time across several subsections belonging to the main ones. As grouping follows a strict hierarchy, here your documents are first divided into their states and then additionally into their respective types. This way, all completed documents of type Activity could go into one section, while all the new ones of type Offer would go into another. The way you use your documents table may vary daily. If you save the current advanced filter configuration as a tile, you don't have to ever recreate it again. Your personalized tiles environment will retain the combination of filters you applied, allowing you to load them later in one click, regardless of any changes you make to the advanced filter panel after that. If you go to your Tiles app now and click on the respective tile, it will open your personal documents table, revealing the same set of records. Furthermore, implementing tiles as a widget allows you to display various shortcuts to distinct filter configurations you have saved. The interactive widget mode enables you to rapidly switch between different sets of documents assigned to you. This way, My Documents and Tiles work together in real time to help you align your records with the tasks at hand and make it easier to find what you need in a split second. You may often be faced with the need to monitor the work around a particular document. My Documents enables you to see its whole chain, how the process started, and what eventually happened. All you need to do is reveal the Document Flow side panel from the Menu buttons drop-down in your ribbon. It helps you not only see the related documents preceding and following the current one, but also access all of them directly from here. Similarly, if you display the Details panel, you can quickly and easily preview all the fields of a document without the need to ever open its form. If you click on another document right now, the panel's information will be instantly refreshed to match that of the new document. This seamless transition saves time and works with every side panel you expand. Within the menu drop-down, you'll also find a dedicated Chats panel. This chat is connected to the specific document you select, which helps you see the discussion for it. Here you can also add new messages and react or reply to others sent by your colleagues. For a quick overview of all the files attached to the current document, you can use the Files panel. It also lets you easily upload new files on the spot, once again without having to leave your personal documents environment. To make sure no important information is left aside, My Documents also features several detail panels, which, as their name suggests, can provide you with even more data about a document, such as its state change history, associated parties, and other related information. But that's not all. You can customize your documents environment so that it shows only the columns that you need in the order that best suits your workflow. If you click the Customize panel option from the three-dot button of the Documents table, you'll be presented with a window featuring several tabs. Within items, you can hide or show certain columns in the table using the slider button on the left of each field. In case you know the name of a specific field and want to find it quickly, use the search bar. It will make items stand out if their name or description contains what you're searching for. You can then change the order of these column headers by switching to the Reorder tab and dragging them up and down until they're in the desired sequence. To apply your changes, simply close the window. So there you have it. Navigate easily through all of your documents on a single screen, arrange them into customized groups, get quick insights from the summaries, and quickly load your preferred configurations and switch between them from your tiles. All of this in ERP.net, the platform that keeps your documentation neat and helps your team stay sharp throughout your day. This concludes our deep dive into documents. Thank you for watching.